just ain't right to end a day like this with no more than a kiss, and spend the night just dreaming of the things we're gonna miss. And if I had my way, girl, we'd be together more each day. We go on forever, lovers hand in hand. Can you understand? Girl, you got to be my one, I got to be your man. 'Cause I can't get without you, I need you each day. The way I feel about you, there's nothing more to say. 'Cause I love you, girl, I need you. I can't go on without you. Well, Heidi there, Pluckers. Ivor Sawfingers back with you again with hopefully another interesting golden oldie playthrough for a forthcoming lesson. Okay, this one is another one from The Real Thing from about 1976, I think this was, and the song called I Can't Get By Without You. Okay, so standard tuning, but a capo on the 2nd fret, so we don't have to play too many bar chords. And we're doing it in the key of E, which is the same as the original recorded version. Okay, so hopefully you'll join me in a couple of days' time for a breakthrough. Okay, breakdown rather, my breakdown. So I'll see you later. Bye for now.